Good morning. Today we are going to discuss the concept of programming language concepts and data structures. This subject has around 8 to 10 marks of weightage in GATE. In 2014 GATE, we have got around 8 to 9 marks in all the sets. Now we will start the programming language concepts. If you see the syllabus for programming language concepts and data structures, this is the syllabus for GATE. Programming in C. We must concentrate on programming in C. Of course, we have to consider the concepts of other programming languages also. It's not just C, because in Pascal and all, we have different parameter passing techniques and all. We must learn all those things also. So programming in C is main. Apart from that, we need to understand the programming concepts of other languages also. And second one is functions. And then recursion. And parameter passing techniques, scope and binding, which is static and dynamic. And then abstract data types, arrays, stacks and queues, linked lists, trees, BSTs, and then binary heaps. In trees, we need to see the advanced trees also, which includes AVL. That is the syllabus for programming language concepts and data structures. First, we will see the structure of C programming language. If you write a C program, the structure you write it as, first thing is, first we write documentation. Generally we write a program for calculating the sum of two numbers, like that we write the comments, the documentation required for that program, which must be included in /* and //. And then we have include section, linking section, include or linking section. It must start with hash. Hash include whatever library functions that we want to include. We have to include all those header files. Hash include stdio.h, hash include conio.h. If you want to use math functions, then we must include hash include math.h. Something like that. We have to include all the header files required. And then global variables declaration. If you want to use some variables which must be accessed throughout the program, which means in all the functions of the program, then we must declare all such variables in global variable section. So the variables that you declare here can be accessed throughout the program. And then we have main function. In main function, initially we declare all the variables required for the program and then executable statements. Any C program's execution starts from main function. That must be remembered. And then after main function, we define the required functions. If you write any other functions, all those functions must be defined after main section. It's not a rule. You can define those functions above main also. Generally, we define them after the main function. Again, the local declarations and then executable statements. Then, what is a C token? The smallest individual element of C, which cannot be indivisible, is called a C token. C tokens are keywords, identifiers, constants, strings, special symbols, and operators. For example, if you are given a statement like printf, double quotes, %t, ampersand, a. Yeah, this is the C statement. If you are asked what are the number of tokens in this statement, you must count the indivisible elements. Printf is indivisible. This is 1. Then brackets is 2. Double quotes 3. %4. D 5, double quotes 6, comma 7, ampersand 8. A 9, bracket close 10, semicolon 11. So there are total 11 tokens in this statement. There is a gate questions. There is a gate question on this. They have given a statement and asked for the number of tokens. So we must understand what is a token. Okay.